In a previous video I started looking at sound intensity and how sound and how that's related to amplification or attenuation in decibels. And so I just want to go over a couple of points related to that. And so if we have an increase of a change of plus 10 decibels, I said that the intensity would be the same as multiplying the intensity by a factor of 10. Now it turns out if we have a change of plus 20 decibels, that's equivalent to multiplying the sound by a factor of 100. Okay? And if we have a change of intensity of the sound of plus 30 decibels, that's equivalent to multiplying the intensity of a sound by a factor of 1000. Likewise, an attenuation of 10 decibels or minus 10 decibels is equivalent to dividing by a factor of 10, or we could say multiplying by 1/10. A attenuation of minus 20 decibels is the same as multiplying by a factor of 0.01, and an attenuation of minus 30 decibels would be equivalent to multiplying by 0.001. Okay, and the other thing I pointed out was that a handy tool used in this is that an attenuation or an amplification of plus 3 decibels is equivalent to multiplying by 2, and amplification of plus 6 decibels is equivalent to multiplying by 4, and attenuation an amplification of 9 decibels would be the same as multiplying your signal by 8. And in the other direction, if we attenuate and decrease by 3 decibels or negative 3 decibels, then that's the same as multiplying by 1/2, which is the same as multiplying by 0.5. If we decrease by 6 decibels, that's the same as multiplying by 1/4 or by 0.25. And if we decrease by 9 decibels, that's equivalent to multiplying our signal intensity by 1/8 or 0.125. Okay? So again, just a quick example to demonstrate this. Let's say I have a ultrasound with an intensity of 5 milliwatts per square centimeter, and I have a 20 decibel attenuation. Then I can just multiply that by 0.01, and so that's equal to 0.05 milliwatts per square centimeter. Let's say I have a signal of 4 milliwatts per square centimeter, and I have an attenuation of, or let's say an amplification of 6 decibels. Amplify that by 6 decibels. That's going to be the same as multiplying by 4, so it's doubling it twice. Every 3 decibels doubles it, and so that's the same as multiplying by 4, and so that's equal to 16 milliwatts per square centimeter.